G'day, this is the Adelaide Old Fart, and I've just fitted 2 latches to the boot lid of my Himalayan. I got them from Adventure First, an Australian company who distribute them, and I'll put a link in the description for this video. But I don't think they make them, maybe they do, but they supply them. And not only do you buy the latch, but you can tell them what key number you want for the barrel, and you'll get all your latches keyed to the same key. What's even better is you can get barrels for your Royal Enfield panniers and probably other panniers. So in this case I can have 1, 2, 3, 4 catches all on the same key, which makes life a lot more interesting. This is how they come. The latch itself is designed to go up and out on a tapered thing like the Royal Enfield pannier, but the eagle-eyed amongst you would have noticed that my boot lid is square. So we had to heat up this with the oxy torch, get it nice and red, and bash it over until it was at 90 degrees. If that was the worst part of the job, I would have been happy, but it wasn't. I can make a mess of anything. The second issue was that they're designed to sit on a flat surface, like the pannier, so that the catch has to be on the same plane as the latch. Well, because my lid is a drop-over lid, you've got that lip there. So that wasn't going to work. Simple solution. Here we go. A couple of aluminium spaces. They cause some dramas, but that's all right. All I've done is I've padded the catch out, and it's now latches with this. Get them out of the way. Release the catches, and up it comes. And there it is, one lockable boot. I had hoped to put 2 more in there so that I could pivot it, because to open these latches, they'll also work as a hinge. So Adventure First, when they're making their panniers, because they do sell heavy duty panniers, I put one on one end and one on the other, so you can either lift the lid right up or undo it at one end and just tilt it up. That's what I'd hoped to do, but not because it droops over the side, because the lid droops over the sides. That's not going to happen in the short term. Maybe I'll get around that. But they're a very nice latch, very strong. That one, there's one screw I need to address on that one. And there you go. There's me boot latched down, all ready to go. So I can put the key in and lock it, in which case it's not going anywhere. Or I can remove the key and open it up. So that's my Adventure First catches, mounted on the back of the sidecar. They're strong. I hope they're going to be convenient. I won't show you the struggle I've got to go through for the front of the boot, because that's a bit Heath Robinson, that one, and it's something I will address at another time. Thank you.